Hello guys, this is Vinod from MindMajix. I welcome you all to the next part of the special Power BI series. Our trainer will explain everything you need to know about the Power BI. Before beginning the session, we request you to watch the previous parts of the covered series. Check the link in the caption. In this video, let us look at the topics we will cover. We shall start with Power BI Services, Data Connection and Schedule Refresh. If you are new to the MindMajix channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get quick updates about the new tech tutorials, free webinars, and career-enhancing shorts from working professionals. Like and share the video with your friends and Power BI career aspirants. Without any further delay, let's start the video.
And welcome to Power BI tutorial.
So let's start. I have deployed the dashboard into the Power BI server. So right from here, my activity is finished. So let me just do this deployment once again. I'll just have to publish it. And since my session is active here, and I can see my name is over here, I do not need to have the further login to the Power BI service. So I have created two workspaces. I'll choose this Amit workspace and select it. So whatever the changes I have done, that will be replaced with the existing dashboard which we have already uploaded into the Power BI server. So replace it. Now after it get replaced in the Power BI service, it will enable a link through which we can click and open the dashboard from the server. So this is the link. I'll click on this. So it will open up the Power BI service environment. Since I have already logged into the Power BI service yesterday, the session in the browser is also active and I can see my dashboard online. These are the previews full screen. If you make it full screen, you can pretty well navigate to the multiple pages of the Power BI dashboard, and I can go back. If I click on go back, it should take me to the page from where I came here. I can go to the landing page again. I'll try to navigate to various pages. Marketplace. In these two pages, I have created the custom controls which I have collected from the Power BI Marketplace. Matrix report. So it's taking to all the pages. Alright, see how beautiful these data are populating over here. It's looking even better than the Power BI desktop. The service is looking much better as my experience. So fine. So click on this button so that the full screen will be removed. Now the next activity I have to see, let us just explore the various pages and various features available over here. Now there is an option called refresh visual. When the data model has been uploaded, refreshing will update all visuals with the latest data. So it is not a scheduled refresh. It is, we can say, a forceful or manual refresh. I'll click on this. So the data which is uploaded to the Power BI, it is just refreshing the existing data. Power BI has a data set inbuilt. When you upload the data set, the Power BI dashboard to Power BI server, along with your dashboard, your data set would also have been uploaded. To check it, click on this data set. You see, in Amit workspace, there is one data set already being uploaded. Okay, so this is just a kind of offline data source of Power BI. Whenever you create a data model, the complete data model is become an offline data source, and along with your dashboard, this offline data source is also uploaded to Power BI service. Now, when you just schedule refresh of your dashboard, this database is actually get replaced with the latest data or get populated with the latest data of the database. Now, after that, the Power BI front end with the dashboard takes the latest data or gets the latest data from this data source. So this is how this server architecture is. I'll go to this recent. This button will help you to go to the dashboard again. Recent in the home, you have various dashboards, whichever has been uploaded. And in the favorite, if you are making one dashboard as a favorite, my workspace is a favorite, and this little dashboard as a favorite, this will be appear on the extreme top of the page. Recent means it was recent dashboard, and this retail data dashboard has a data set. There are two components of this dashboard which is uploaded. One is Power BI data set, the type is data set, another is a report. So this particular dashboard, the PBIX file, has two different components which get segregated in the Power BI service. Okay, so the next activity is we do have the data. We have to schedule the refresh of the dashboard. So this has been uploaded to my workspace. Now what next? I have to go for the deployment. So in the deployment part, basically we have deployed the dashboard. If you would have multiple users, you can give access to multiple users. Now in my workspace, basically the dashboard will be given access to particular workspace. In my workspace, I have two components. One is a dashboard and one is a data. So since the deployment has been done, like it is available here, you can basically give access to multiple users. How the access will be given? Access will be given to the workspace. So the number of dashboard you want to create and give access to multiple users, you can create a workspace and give apply access to the particular workspace. So like this. So user, like I have multiple users. Suppose this is a user, right? This is admin user. I can make it viewer, I can make it contributor, I can remove also. So since I am a admin user, I do have the access to this, and it reports another corporate ID or official email address to whom it will be given access. So in that case, I have to give one more email address and invite user who will just join with this portfolio and access to my dashboard. So I have to give the email address, and then I have to give the type of user, whether it is an admin, whether he is a member, contributor, or a viewer. Okay, so this way I have to give access. I do have to just make the automation of the data flow, because we have uploaded this dashboard and user can able to see their dashboard. But unless until we do not make this dashboard dynamic, there is no worth for this, right? Because every day the data of my database will keep on changing, but here in this dashboard the data will be remain unchanged. This should not happen. The data in our Power BI data sheet should be changing time to time based on the particular schedule. So how the Power BI will be refreshing, how the data of the Power BI will be refreshing based on the schedule. This is the approach. There is a manual approach and there is an automated approach. So if I want to refresh it for now, I'll refresh it. This is refreshed. Okay. Now this refresh action has been set. I've just refreshed it, but action has been taken on this. But what happened? It is showing one alert. You can see this is an error also. There was an error with your dataset. Select the warning icon to view the details. What is the issue? The issue is because the Power BI server is available in the cloud. It is not able to access. It not able to access to my database server, which is in my local machine. Right. This is my database server, which is in my local machine. So then, how my Power BI server would able to access the data from the on-premises database? Actually, the Power BI is in the cloud server and my database server is in the on-premises. So from on-premises to cloud, I can connect through internet. But from cloud to my on-premises system, which is a private system, there cannot be a connection possible, right? So as a result, the connection cannot be possible. So how it would be possible then? It will be possible by using the Power BI data gateway or on-premises gateway. I'll show you subsequently how the Power BI gateway is installed. But for now, it is not able to connect because on the cloud server there is no connectivity to the on-premises system. Alright, so what we will do, the next activity is we could not just refresh it since it is in cloud. Now we will try to refresh, schedule refresh. We'll try to schedule the refresh. Now what is scheduled refresh? Scheduled refresh is basically to define some specific timeline through which on which the dashboard refresh will happen. It will not refresh on demand or it will not refresh manually. It should be automatically refreshed so that the dashboard would get the data from the local system. So this is possible by using the gateway connectivity. So I'll show you how the data connectivity will happen by using the Power BI gateway. So data set setting to the detail dashboard. If you want to view the data set, click on this. Your data set is, this is the report, basically report, and yeah, this is the data set. It is not being refreshed. Okay. Now last refresh failed on this because I tried it just before some time. So that's why it is showing the last refresh and the action was failed. Refresh history is the activity. Here is the refresh history, which shows me the log of the refresh.